is the big hair assembly for World Afro Day. I'm one of the mini reporters. I cannot wait. So we're currently in the taxi on our way to the event. Mummy, say hello. And yeah, we're super excited, so don't forget to continue watching this video and also go and follow World Afro Day on their Instagram and follow me as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So we just got into the venue. This is how big it is.
You're not doing anything at the mini mode fashion?
And we're just having rehearsals right now, and then the students are going to come in and then the show is going to start. So I'll talk to you guys later. We'll probably film some of the rehearsals. Yeah.
2019. Hello everyone, my name is Scarlett Douglas and welcome to the first big hair assembly to launch World Afro Day in Schools 2019!
For communities and social policy.
Please put your hands together.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for your welcome. Good afternoon, my name is Jeanette Bain-Burnett. I work at City Hall for Sadiq Khan, the Mayor of London, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the big hair assembly as part of World Afro Day 2019. And so I was really shocked. About a year ago, my 5-year-old daughter came to me and said that she thought that if she was going to become beautiful, she needed to have long blonde hair. So I was really shocked and I was thinking, oh, this is not good, we're not moving in the right direction. So I started on a journey with my daughter and her dad and her brother and her class teacher and her head teacher and some other parents at the school gates, because I think everyone has to be involved in this journey. And we started talking about why that was. So this truly is an international event, and we would like to welcome our schools from around the world who are joining us online.
Hello, now we can't name all of the schools, but we would like to recognise your country. So audience, if you wouldn't mind helping me, respond by clapping, whooping and cheering when we mention all of the schools and all the countries that they are tuning in from. So we've got schools in America. We have got schools in Botswana.
Why did I start World Afro Day? My daughter is in the audience and was my inspiration. I think she was about 6 or 7 years old, and she was singing in the bathroom about her hair, how much she loved her hair and how thankful she was to have Afro hair. And that was I couldn't believe what I was hearing really, because as a child, I never felt that confident about my hair. But my immediate thought after that was, what about the millions of children I knew around the world who really didn't feel positive about their hair?
Why do we need the big hair assembly? Well, really because many schools around the world need to immediately change their attitude towards Afro hair. And these are some of the reasons why. In 2016, the Pretoria Girls High protest in South Africa. Sometimes in the UK, we're not aware of how prevalent the problem is here as well.
which is why World Afro Day commissioned the Hair Quality Report, which with support from De Montfort University. The findings were this: 1 in 6 children with Afro hair were having bad experiences in UK schools as a direct result of discrimination that they were facing against their hair. This is Josiah Sharp. 5-year-old Josiah was prevented from having playtime because his haircut was too short. 15-year-old Joshua was taken to the barbers by his school without parental permission, and he returned to school humiliated with a botched haircut.
Do you want to go into the audience? Are we on? Is this mic on? Hi everyone. Check, check. Can we get this mic on? Hello, hello. Oh, hi everyone. How's everybody doing? Good. Can I get another one? How's everybody doing? Good. Much better. Okay, so this is Inspiring Vanessa. You've got thousands of followers online. And I love all the stuff that you're doing on your Instagram. So you're going to head into the audience, aren't you? Put your hands up. If you can think of some words, positive words to do with straight hair, Vanessa's going to come to you. Right, we've got some over there. I wonder how loud you are. I wonder if you can shout it out. We're going to start over here first with the microphone.
I'm going to try and get over there. I'm going to try and figure out how I get over there. Yeah, you in this line. Can you guys pass down the mic?
I'd probably say smooth.
Yeah. Smooth.
Smooth, and could say bouncy, because if you had like really nice smooth hair, you could probably like just ruffle around with it sometimes.
Okay, nice, nice. Pass that mic forward. Did you agree with that, David?
Yeah.
Bouncy hair.
Yeah. I don't really style my hair. It's only my mum who really cares about mine.
It's lovely. I think your mum's done a fantastic job. I thought it was stylish. She'd say it's stylish. Who's got the microphone now? Where are we? Yes, go for it.
And I really like my hair because it's like thin and soft, and you can fiddle with it every time when you want and when you would.
Thin, soft, and you can fiddle with it whenever you want. Okay, thank you very much. Not letting anybody touch it.
Yes.
I'm like, don't touch my hair.
What positive word you would say about Afro hair?
Puffy.
Puffy.
Okay, very puffy. We had a hand up over here, didn't we? Yeah?
Afro hair is really fluffy.
Fluffy, I like that. It makes me think of clouds. Fluffy clouds.
It's a unique style and it's very curly.
Unique style and very curly. Okay. I'm going to ask.
A negative word about Afro hair is that you get a lot, as it said up there, it's very, you can get racism against you, and you can also get bullied for having Afro hair because it's a unique style and you should love it.
I totally agree with you. Thank you. It's very true. You did good. Because it grows fresh on our scalp. I love that. I really like that. Her mindset towards her Afro hair was completely positive from a young age, so it is possible to change generations of negative attitudes towards Afro hair and replace them with positive words and attitudes.
Is as normal, missing someone.